More than 180,000 ceiling fans sold at Home Depot recalled because blades detach when in use.
Oh,
I don't know why. I don't know why I like this story. It's just I shouldn't like it. It's dangerous.
they just eject.
It's just a funny. There's something about ceiling fans which are funny to me already.
Why are they funny?
I don't know. They're just up there spinning around. They're kind of
Keeping your head cool. There's utility in it.
No, I know. They move the air around. People there's a dispute about whether they do very much for the actual ambient room temperature. You have to configure it properly. They have two they can go either pull air up or push it down. And a lot of people don't use them properly. You know this meme, right? Like people use their fans wrong.
Oh, really? I thought it only goes one direction, which is to push air down.
Yeah, but see the hot air rises.
Isn't that what you want?
To push the hot air down? But you're not at ceiling level. You would want to pull cold air up.
Oh, right, yeah.
You see, because your register for your air conditioner is on the floor level. The floor is always colder than the ceiling.
I see.
But you could actually use it to keep a room warm on the alternative.
Oh,
anyway, it's a meme online.
So does it go reverse?
Yeah.
It does, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
But it's a
I didn't
meme
know
online that people for years are like, this fan is heating up my room. and yeah, it can be.
I did not know about this.
Anyway, that's not. I just find them funny because it's just such a blunt contraption. Look at it; it's just blades spinning on your ceiling. Anyway, some of them are more elaborate looking than that. That one is the most utilitarian looking fan. I just try to imagine the environments where this fan is hanging, and the fact that there's 182,000 of them sold that are being recalled.
This is the dangerous one?
Just imagine one model of fan. They sold 182,000.
Yeah. There's a lot of them being peddled.
I don't think I have a single fan in my house right now.
No, you don't? Well, you should get one.
I think I have one. I think I have one.
Yeah.
They're so weird looking, though. They take up so much space. Anyway.
Yeah.
I'm arguing with no one right now about the viability.
Yeah, I have no idea about fans.
In here, we would need a fan because of the high ceiling and a huge discrepancy in heat, but we would need a huge fan. One of these fans wouldn't work. But 182,000 rooms I have to picture where this exact fan has been installed, sold at Home Depot. It's incredible. Anyway, the blades fly off in some circumstances, like giant spinning blades coming your direction. Those things can pick up steam, so nobody wants that.
No.
And so they're recalling it because they had a bunch of reports of damaged property and injuries, in fact. So if you have a Hampton Bay 54-inch Mara indoor-outdoor ceiling fan sold nationwide between April 2020 and October 2020, between April 2020 and October 2020, 180,000 fans of one model.
I think I might have got one.
You have this fan. And it was sold for $150,000. Go check your fan if it's that model. Don't get your head sliced off when they come. Yeah. I mean, obviously, I'm joking, but
it lands in your turkey dinner.
Yeah, just be safe and I don't know. Check your fan model. There's so many of them out there. Yeah. It's funny. Why that fan?
Yeah. Why is it so popular?
Why that fan?
I mean, it looks nice, but you know.